we're going to integrate 1 over x cubed between the limits 2 and 5. To integrate this, we need to use our knowledge of index laws to write 1 over x cubed as x to the minus 3. We're then in a position to integrate. Use our squared brackets, increase the power by 1, divide by the new power, and the closing squared bracket carries the limit. We can now simplify this expression. We're dividing by minus 2, so we could write that as multiplying by minus a half, x to the minus 2 from 2 to 5. And of course we could now substitute the numbers in and use our calculator, or we could simplify the expression further. X to the minus 2 is 1 over x squared, so we have minus 1 over 2x squared from 2 to 5. We're now going to substitute into our pair of round brackets. Substituting 5 in gives us minus 1 over 2 times 5 squared. And substituting in the bottom limit, minus 1 over 2 times 2 squared. The first bracket then gives me minus 1 over 50, and the second bracket, minus minus makes a plus, gives 1 over 8. Of course, we could easily do this with a calculator, but following through without one, we get minus 4 over 200 plus 25 over 200, which is 21 over 200.